All right, guys. So this triangle that we were in yesterday, it's a symmetrical triangle. It breaks to the upside 50% of the time or breaks to the downside 50% of the time. And based on we're in a bear market, we drop to the downside. Today is the day we lose 20,000. That's just my opinion. Yesterday, the low was 20,074, so $74 above 20K. But we are right now again in a bearish state. The 15-minute chart is oversold, so we could get a relief rally. But the problem is a 15-minute would have to outdo the 1 hour, which is hard, and it'd have to outdo the 4 hour because both are high. The other problem is, I've said this on multiple videos, I just said my last one too, is that if you go to the 4 hour chart, you have not broken a previous high. By the time, and so if you haven't broken a previous high, by the time the RSI is overbought on the 4 hour or 1 hour, that's bearish. It can be bearish on any time frame if you don't break a previous high and you're overbought on that time frame. But when I look at a big time frame like the 4 hour or even the 1 hour, that's bearish. I mean, I will say this: we are in a massive downturn. We've had very few green candles. I don't even think you can say that that was a high. The last real high you had was right here. That was the last rally you had was $31,765. But if we zoom into the 1 hour chart, there was a little bit of a bounce the other day. So unless you get above, right now the price to get above based on the 1 hour chart is $23,300. If you don't get above that high, that's bearish. So I guess that's a high you have to get above. And also you did have a little bit of a high just recently at 21,748. So the next target to the upside, if there is targets to the upside, if we do reverse, which I don't think we will, would be 21,748, and then up there at 23,300 would be the target to the upside after that. So 21,748 is the target you have to get above. I'm going to put resistances here, so I just know that for my own sake. Those are the targets you have to get above. I will make them a different color because it's technically not, it's a little resistance, but more than anything, it's just a target you have to beat. So I'll make them like whitish or whatever color that is, just so that you guys kind of know. If you guys have any other requests for coins, let me know and I will look at them. But short term, I'm bearish on Bitcoin. I'm currently in a Bitcoin short, a 3S coin on KuCoin. I shorted Link yesterday, made some money on that, maybe 13% gains, got stopped out at 13% gains. And now I'm in a Bitcoin short, which was this right here before I did my Jasmine video. So I entered at $3.33 pretty much, $3.32. You had a high today all the way up here at $3.74 and currently at $3.53. I entered this about 2 hours ago, so it's already up how much? 5-6%. So that's kind of what I'm in right now. I am expecting this to go higher. My take profit is 4.3 up here. So when we get up there, I'm assuming Bitcoin will be like 18,000 by then, 18.5. So around 18.5 or 19K is the first time I'd be thinking about taking profits. I do believe there's a CME futures gap from a few months ago or a long time ago, almost a year or more ago at 18.5, and then there's also one at 9K. So 18.5 is probably where we're headed next. So that's where I would be looking to take profits aggressively. Plus, by the time you get there, I'm sure Bitcoin would be oversold by then. But like I said, the 4 hour and 1 hour still have a lot more downside to go. So this short is still looking pretty juicy. 15-minute chart could give you a relief bounce, but I don't think it's going to be anything significant. I don't even think you get to 21K with the big 15-minute bounce, but we will see. The second you put in a higher high on the 15-minute chart, I would get out my short, which if you got back above 21,800, that's when I would end my short position. But otherwise, you're not bullish until then. You have to break a previous high, and you haven't done that. So that's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, appreciate it if you like and subscribe, and I will make any more updates if need be. Or if you guys have any other requests, let me know, and I will look at them later today.